Hey guys, this video is to show you how to do 3-digit times 2-digit multiplication. There's a number of ways to do this, but this is one of the most common traditional ways to do it, just using the place value method. Now you may get a sum like this on your test or on your worksheet, 328 times 64. If you're going to use the place value method, you need to set it out properly so that the second number is below the first number, but the columns all match up perfectly. So you can see that I've done my ones column, tens column and hundreds column so that they're perfectly underneath each other. Now with the second digit that we have here now, and this time we have the 6, which is 60, and so we need to take that into account. So whereas traditionally you might just do 4 times 8, 4 times 20, 4 times 300, and then put the answer here, we do need to do that again this time for the ones, but we also need to do it for the 60. So 60 times 8, 60 times 2, and 60 times 300. And then we add them all up at the end. So you're starting with the ones column. 4 times 8 is 32. So we can write that underneath and carry the 3 over. Remember, you can use your rule or your helper if you need to, where you say 2 goes down, 3 goes up. You can use that method throughout if you need to. Right, we've dealt with 4 times 8. Now let's deal with 4 times 20. So 4 times 2 is 8, but I need to add on this carried over 3, which is 11. So put my 1 down and the 10 from that up. Okay, now 4 times 3, which is the 300, so 4 3s are 12. Add another 1 there from the carry is 13. So all we've done there so far is 4 times 328. Now we need to do the 60 times 8 and 60 times 2 and 60 times 300. So because we're working with tens now, there's not going to be any ones that we need to write down, but we need to fill in this place. We need to basically fill in this ones column with a placeholder of 0. If you think about it, 60 actually has 60 on the end. So we need to make sure that everything, if we're timesing 6 by 328 and just add a 0 on the end, we're basically timesing that whole thing by 10. So that's why you put the 0 down when you move to the next column. And if we move to the hundreds column, we'd have to put 2 zeros down, etc. So that's why it's really important to put that 0 down there. Otherwise, we're only working out what 6 times 328 is and not 60 times 328. But to make it easier for ourselves, we really want to work with those single digits, and that's where we can use our times table. So that's why we must put that 0 down. You can also, if you need to, cross out these other ones because you don't want them to interfere with your calculations. So now we start again from the 6 times 8. So 6 times 8 is 48, and we make sure we put that into the tens column because remember we're already talking about 60s. So 6 times 8, 48, we need to carry that 4. Now this is where it can get a little bit confusing because we're already in this column here, but we're going to write the answer for this particular tens column into the next one over, the hundreds column. So 6 times 2 is 12, add on the other 4 from the carry is 16. Put the 6 down here and carry the 1. Now that we've done 6 times 8 and 60 times 20, we can do 6 times 3. Which is 300. So 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 more is 19. Right, now we have our two answers for 4 times 328 and 60 times 328. And all that's left to do is to add those two numbers together. So now I'm going to indicate that I'm adding these together now. I draw my line to show this is going to be an answer, and just simply add them up. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 8 is 9, 6 plus 3 is also 9. Now I come to 9 and 1, which is 10, so I need to put that 0 down and carry. And 1 and 1 is 2. So total answer there is 20,992. And that's how you do the place value method for 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication.